Practice set 4B, problem number 7, given on page number 112. A good example. There is a small trick involved in the solution. Let us start with the problem. The problem is presented to you in the form of a box on the blackboard. That there are two companies where somebody has to invest. The market value of the share is for company A 132 rupees, for company B 144 rupees. Dividend paid will be or paid is 12% and 16%. Face value of both the shares is rupees 100. The question says the investment in which company will be more profitable. Okay, so you are given everything. This is the market value, this is the dividend paid, therefore, and the face value of both the shares is rupees 100. So which investment in which company will be more profitable? So let us start. Here I have already written, I have given a star because this is the trick, this is the main point of the solution. Suppose the amount investment in both the companies is equal to rupees 132 into 144, the product of the two market values. Now it is very obvious for you to think why we have taken the invested amount is equal to the product of the two market values. You will come to know once we start doing the calculations. Calculation for company A. First of all, what did we say? Suppose the amount invested in both the companies is same. And how much is that amount? The product of two market values. Okay. Calculation for company A. Amount invested is this much. Market value of a share is 132 rupees. अब इतना पैसा लगाया और एक की कॉस्ट इतनी है, तो हाउ मेनी शेयर्स आर परचेस्ड? द नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स परचेस्ड is equal to the total amount invested divided by the market value, that comes out to be 144. So total number of shares purchased of company A is equal to 144. Now the dividend paid is 12% of the face value. Face value 100 rupees है. 100 rupees का 12%, it comes out to be 12 rupees. 12 rupees per share we have written. Dividend per share is 12 rupees. But how many shares are purchased? 144. तो एक के शेयर के ऊपर 12 रुपए मिल रहे हैं, तो 144 के ऊपर कितने मिलेंगे? 144 into 12, that comes out to be rupees 1728 rupees. That means we get the dividend of 1728 rupees if we invest this much of amount. Let it be clear. This amount is invested, this much is the gain. Now let us go to the second company. Okay, calculation for company B. Amount invested in the second company is also same. Same amount is invested. Okay, now the market value of the share is 144. इतना पैसा लगाया और एक की कॉस्ट इतनी है, तो कितने शेयर्स मिलेंगे? द नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स परचेस्ड, इतने पैसे लगाए और एक की मार्केट वैल्यू 144 है. 144 कैंसल्स, यू गेट 132 शेयर्स. सो if you invest the same amount in company B, the number of shares which you get is equal to 132. But this time the dividend paid is 16% of the face value. 16% of face value. Face value 100 है, 16% means 100 cancel. 16 रुपए. 16 rupees is the dividend per share. एक शेयर के ऊपर 16 रुपए मिलते हैं. तो 132 shares मिल रहे हैं आपको, तो total dividend obtained will be 132 into 16. That comes out to be 2112 rupees. Now compare. दोनों जगह सेम पैसा लगाया था. इतनी ही अमाउंट कंपनी ए में भी थी, कंपनी बी में भी उतनी ही अमाउंट थी. बट द रिटर्न्स, द प्रॉफिट और द डिविडेंड फ्रॉम कंपनी ए इज 1728 rupees, while in company B it is 2112 rupees. So by common sense, from 1 and 2, we observe that the investment in company B is more profitable. ज्यादा पैसा मिल रहा है कंपनी बी से. सेम अमाउंट दोनों जगह इन्वेस्ट किए थे, लेकिन इधर ज्यादा पैसा मिल रहा है, सो ऑब्वियसली द इन्वेस्टमेंट इन कंपनी बी इज more profitable.